Okay, this is Preston the parrot, Blake the snake, and the grizzly man. And today we will be talking about
the dangers of chewing.
Well, no, we'll be talking about Halloween specials. Today we're gonna be ranting about until we talk about the Halloween special. Where you going? Oh.
You gotta speed. I had a bottle, you idiot.
Well,
Wait, the snake's back! Party has just started. Now.
When his arms go down, maybe.
Now our new Halloween.
This is Bite the Snake update about our
Halloween special.
about our Halloween special. Now, last year we done the Black Mist on Halloween.
Was awesome. I watched that.
But we're going to be having a Halloween special on Halloween night.
We'll give you a hint. It's somebody with blue overalls. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Anyways, we're just here to let you know it'll be a Halloween special. It's gonna be great, better than last year.
Well, the Black Mist was pretty good, but it was scary. But was that the one in the closet or what?
Looked like a banana.
But guys, this is Bite the Snake.
We gotta do it long.
This video sucks.
Bud, you run!